Hi guys, it's Igor from Atomic Car Review, and today I will tell you how to replace headlight washer pump on Jaguar in body style X350. To do this kind of job, you need to remove front bumper, and because we're doing this, we're also gonna play a little bit with the washer pump for headlights because it's broken. And right now we have access to this. We can do this easier, but again, like, don't worry about this water pump. You can replace water pump for headlight even through the right fender liner. To get access to headlight washer pump, you need to remove couple clips. One of them here, you can see, another one on the top, two bolts on the 10 on my vehicle or here, and some of them underneath, but this I will show you later. Also one nut here, also 10 millimeters. Sometimes it's really hard to remove clips like this design, but if you have access to compressed air, you can blow air to this point. In this case, you're gonna pull out all sand and clips would be removed much easier. Okay, right now, after you remove all these plastic shields and the mud shields, you have access to both of the pump. The left one, which I pointed my finger, it's for your windshield, and another one, you see, it's for headlight. You see, it's rusty because you didn't use them much. Because of that, usually this pump is like failure pretty often. Okay, right now we see both of these pumps. We need to replace this one. You see it's rusty, probably the reason of failure. And as you remember, I told you that this pump cost around $70 original one, 60 or 70, but we ordered it on eBay from Volvo. It looks exactly the same, and I believe because Ford owned at the same time Volvo and Jaguar, he used exactly the same pump. And for Volvo it costs $15 or $18. Just in case, link I will add to the description of this video. Okay, as I see, to replace this water pump, you need to first of all remove this connector by pressing this clip here and move up. You see clip here and up. And then also you need to take out this connector. Also it's clip on the other side. You press them and took it out, but pump itself, it's moving very easy. You just need to put it on the side and pull up. I'm gonna use this kind of plug to cover the hole after I'm gonna reinstall the pump to reduce amount of losing washer fluid. To take this clip out, you need to move this one. You see, it's to this point, a little bit on the side and on the front. You see, like this. And then just pull out. As you can see, both pumps for Volvo and the original one from Jaguar exactly the same. This one built by Ford, but price is more than 4 times bigger, I think. Just in case, I'm gonna leave parts number in the description, but also I can give you a link to this one on eBay. Each time before installation, I usually put silicone grease on point like this next to the O-rings. Also a little bit over here, but be careful with the windshield washer reservoir. Don't put silicone inside. In this case, it's gonna be much easier during next installation. It's usually look like this. I would like to remind you that you can follow this procedure with all models from 2004 until 2008, and this model as a XJ8, XJR, Super V8, and maybe something else on some different markets. Thank you everyone for watching this video. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe to our channel and give us thumbs up.